It is the end of the road for us. That is what the opposition parties said as they filed out of the courtroom just behind me. Here today, the Supreme Court, Nigeria's highest legal institution, delivered its judgment on opposition challenges to President Bola Tinubu's February election victory. The court upheld Tinubu's win, dismissing the latest application by the People's Democratic Party to introduce new evidences to support claims that the president forged the diploma certificate he presented to the Electoral Commission. Certificate forgery can lead to disqualification of a candidate, but the court said opposition did not present its case sooner until they were defeated at the lower appeals court last month. The court also said new evidences can only be admitted if applicants can prove that they can significantly sway the outcome of the election.
We came here because we are law-abiding. We came here because we love our country. We came here because we want to set, the right direction for Nigeria. And they have, in their wisdom, decided what is judgment. But for us, this is not justice. It's not justice because Nigerians were expecting that this court would do the right thing. You can see the mood even within the court here that people are like mourning. If judgment was given, this place would have erupted in jubilation. We are all Nigerians, and we all know what happened on the 25th of February.
The Supreme Court also struck out a suit challenging the manual transmission of election results, saying the electoral body is at liberty to choose how to transmit votes. Opposition had alleged that manual vote transmission gave rise to manipulations of votes. The court also dismissed suits about the president's alleged criminal forfeiture of $460,000 to the U.S. authorities. In September, the appeals court dismissed opposition's petitions against the president after months of hearing. Opposition parties have expressed dissatisfaction with the Supreme Court ruling, but the ruling party and its supporters welcome the judgment.
Election petition is a special case of its own, so once you are filing the petition, you have to do it within the time limited by law, that's 21 days. If you cannot bring all your documents within that day, you are out. The court cannot grant you any extension to file fresh evidence or fresh document. That's all.
February's presidential election was the most controversial in Nigeria's recent history. The vote was marred by violence and allegations of deliberate manipulation of votes. On social media, supporters of the opposition parties have been calling for street protests. No one knows what will happen next. Timothy Obiezu, VOA News, Abuja, Nigeria.